Hey guys, we're talking to you about Bitcoin and we don't even trade it. Yeah, if you haven't watched the channel before, it's Rob Guilty. It's all about stock market. It's all about stock trading. Let's get to it, guys. So yeah, are you still buying Bitcoin? Is it still of interest to you? Well, you know, I can't stop talking about it because it's such an interesting subject the last couple of weeks, isn't it? It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's get to it and let's talk about it. Let's see what we got here. Very interesting stuff that I came up with that you might find interesting here, but I thought it was actually going to drop down to 15,000 almost immediately, and it actually didn't. It's still sitting around at levels. It seems to be finding its feet and wondering where it's going to go. Well, I can tell you where it's going to go. Let's have a look here, guys. Let's be perfectly honest. Most certainly looks like, firstly, let's get it going, and then let's have a look here and see what we've got. Okay. So, if I look at this, she seems to be a drop down, and she seems to be creating a little bit of a flag, okay, but a downward sort of scenario, and it's been sitting in this area for a week or so, and sitting at 36,000 now. Now yesterday she was actually up at 39,000, and now she's back down at 36,000. Yeah, and heading down to that 200-day moving average again, like we discussed. You know, I said to you it's going to come down to the 200-day moving average, and I think it's going to come and connect, and then it's going to test that 200-day moving average. So while a lot of you have been relieved, and it's been looking quite, quite solid for a while, it's as I see today, it's got a big red line on it again. It looks like it wants to come down. 36,900. Okay. Not too bad, but are you still buying this? Are you still trying to get into this trade? Are you still looking at buying Bitcoin? Because I wouldn't buy it at this level, not with your money. No. If I was looking to buy this again, I'd buy it down here somewhere, maybe 10,000, but I wouldn't buy Bitcoin anyway. If anybody knows me, they know I don't touch the stuff. I'm not interested in cryptocurrencies in the least. I think it's all a load of hogwash. But yeah, traders like it, traders love it, and this thing has played out and dropped down to where it needs to drop down to, but I think it still could come down to about at least 20,000, 25, and then maybe even as low as 15 in the long run, unless something extreme happens or something big goes down. This Oki is not going to 500,000 or 200,000 like they say in the near future, more likely 15,000. And I'm not seeing much excitement for it, to be honest with you. So anyway, with that, what did I do now? Tile the windows, let's have a look. So this week, guys, we're just taking a punt on the British American tobacco. Yes, it is sort of sitting in one of those little settling motions, but it's been trading between this range for quite a long time now. So this is really a punt. It hit the bottom level yesterday and it started bouncing up again. If you can see, she's oversold and the stochastic has crossed and started turning upwards. It's going to go and probably test the 200-day moving average again. So if you're trading in here at these 520 levels, we should get back up to the, it could go all the way back up to 580, which is brilliant. But I mean, even if it just gets up here to the 200-day moving average at about 550 or 545, I think it is, I'm not quite sure, then that will do. Let's just have a look and see if we can, let's just have a look and see if we can get a figure. 558 with the 200-day moving averages now, so by the time it gets there, 555. So if it trades up to there, that'll be excellent. So if you're looking for a trade, British American tobacco looks like a good buy at the moment. That said, be careful if it breaks through this support level. It could, it could fall. So that's a bit of a tricky one, but it is showing signs of life and it is showing signs of going up. So we're taking a punt on it anyway, and we'll see how that goes. So happy with that one. If we just tile the windows again here, let's have a look at the S&P. S&P still going up, still happy. Yeah, no complaints on that one. That one looks great. That looks like a fantastic trade to stay in. I see Cecil did quite well the other day, but we're not traded into Cecil anymore. Yes, overboard starting to come down. So if you wait for this one, you might be able to get in at one of these lower levels, the 220 levels, have a look at it, keep it going and whatnot. Yeah, so that's it for this week, guys. Just having a look, just talking about Bitcoin again. Bitcoin just amuses me. It just keeps on messing around. But this week it's kind of stayed at its level. It's kind of stayed at the 36,000. It hasn't gone anywhere. It hasn't got exciting, but it can. So we'll have a look again next week and see where it is next week, see if it's gone anywhere. And don't forget, tell me in the comments if you're trading Bitcoin, if you're still interested in it, and why you're trading Bitcoin. Let's have a look at that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in the stock market, you'll find some books down in the description. Always good information. Till next week, guys. Rob Gilty. Cheers. Ciao.